Hello friends, welcome back to my new video and my YouTube channel. Today friends, I am going to show you guys Tecno mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to on call ID announcement setting in Tecno mobile. Friends, you want to use Tecno mobile call ID announcement setting. So friends, now let's see how to on call ID announcement in Tecno mobile. So friends, one by one, step by step, friends, we will talk about. So before starting video, friends, first of all, go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, you want to use Tecno mobile call ID announcement setting. You want to on Tecno mobile call ID announcement. So let's open your device phone call setting. After turning on phone call setting, friends, you can see this type interface in your Tecno mobile. So friends, in your Tecno mobile, click here right side three dot. If you click here call history, so friends, you can check call history, and you want to check missed call history, so you can check missed call history. Friends, click here three dot again, setting option, click here. Friends, first of all, you can check here blocked number, and you want to check your block history, so you can check your block call history, block SMS history, you can check. And if you click here, so you can check blocked number. So friends, click here sound and vibration setting. So friends, you can set Tecno mobile ringtone. You want to use ringtone setting, ringtone volume you can adjust from your caller ID announcement setting. Friends, you want to use right click here, and friends, click here announce caller ID always option. So friends, you can use announce caller ID setting in Tecno mobile in your Android phone and in your Tecno mobile after on call ID announcement setting. And again, if you click here never option, so friends, you cannot use announce caller ID setting in your Tecno mobile. So like that friends, you can use call ID announcement setting in Tecno mobile. You want to on, so friends, click here always option, and you can on call ID announcement setting. And you don't want to use, so friends, again click here never option, call ID announcement setting is off, and you cannot use call ID announcement setting. So friends, I will on call ID announcement setting because I want to use it. So friends, you can see the caller name and number will be read out for incoming calls. And friends, if you click here display option, so you can change your dialer theme, light theme, dark theme, system default theme, you can use it. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.